Nintendo's new $99 Alarmo alarm clock combines nostalgia with modern tech, featuring beloved characters with a variety of playful alarms and sleep sounds. Uses motion detection to sense your movements, allowing you to silence alarms by shifting or getting out of bed. The clock's large, colorful dial and adjustable brightness make it both functional and fun, though its complex setup might overwhelm younger users. Despite the high price tag, Alarmo offers unique Nintendo charm with customizable audio and future downloadable content, appealing to fans of the brand who are willing to splurge on a quirky bedside gadget. What